Hey everyone, this is Sunita and you're watching Sunita's English Adventure. I'm back here with another dhamakedar video. Yes, a super exciting one. So today I'm going to share something very personal. How I stayed consistent for over 365 days. Yes, more than one whole year of showing up almost every single day. So if you check my channel right now, you'll see I have uploaded 401 videos and we have built a family of around 44.7k subscribers. So it is the result of consistency. So today I'm going to reveal all the things that help me stay consistent in this journey, even when I felt tired, uninspired, or wanted to give up. There is a quote I really believe in: we are what we repeatedly do. Think about it. For me, showing up on YouTube every day, even when it felt hard, became a habit. And over time, that habit turned into results. So, how did I turn that habit into a daily routine? Here is the first thing that really helped me. When I started in August 2024, I was full of energy, motivation, enthusiasm. You know how it feels when we start something new? You feel like you're going to conquer the world. But after a few uploads, reality hit. Not many views, not many people were watching, and I started feeling bored. And after 4 to 5 months, I started questioning myself. Should I pause or should I try something else? But honestly speaking, that time I had roughly 2,000 subscribers, and I had this fear that if I stop now, what else will I do? YouTube was the only option. I'm a homemaker with two little kids. I really can't go out and work. So, this was the only option that I could do from my home. So, yes, that was the thing. Before this, also, I had tried 6 to 7 channels, and this one was finally growing. And there was this fear that if I stop now or if I start something new right now, I'll have to start from scratch. And this fear of starting over actually helped me keep going. When I thought creating a video feels like too much work, I would say, let's just start. You know what? Most of the time, I ended up working for more than 1 hour. So the key is to take that first step, even a tiny one. And if you only keep thinking, nothing happens. Another small thing that kept me moving forward was to jot down my ideas. Yes, before creating any videos, don't overthink. I'll do this, I'll do that. Don't plan much. Instead, jot it down. Jot down your ideas, jot down your points, even if it's vague. When you see it in front of you, you get a lot of clarity, okay, and motivation. So see, something small can actually push you to start creating. Now the very important lesson I learned is don't get stuck obsessing over views and subscribers. It's natural to check, but if you keep counting numbers every single day, you're going to waste a lot of time. Instead, why don't you focus on something you can actually do? For example, set some small actions for yourself, create a checklist, give yourself deadlines, because these deadlines actually help you stop procrastinating and take action even on low energy days. At one point, I was bored of creating conversational videos all the time. So I thought, why not introduce something new, but still keep the niche focused on English? So I started posting vlogs in English alongside my usual videos. It was really fun and it brought in many new subscribers too. So the key is to experiment within your niche. You already have an audience, so you need not to mess with the algorithm. You can post anything related to English, vlogs in English, conversational videos, informative videos, grammar lessons, right? That will help your audience grow and learn with you. And whenever I feel lack of content ideas, I go to my comment section, see what people are asking for or comments on a similar creator's videos. So this is how I get an idea what type of content should I create, right? So it's really an amazing idea, and just keep on putting your work on YouTube and stay patient with it. Don't set unrealistic expectations for yourself, right? Another thing that really made a huge difference, sometimes I can't create long-term videos. Maybe life is busy, energy is low, but that doesn't mean I stop working. I create short-term videos instead. The mantra is to show up every day, no matter what. And one of the most important lessons I have learned is about negativity. Stay away from negativity and judgments. Sometimes you get negative comments and criticism, and that can actually hurt your consistency. And if you let these negative comments affect you, you cannot do your best work. So don't get stuck. Stay away from these things and focus on improving yourself every day. Be the best version of yourself. Growth actually comes from actions, not their opinions. So you better focus on your actions. And finally, one of the things that truly keeps me motivated, surround yourself with like minded people. When you surround yourself with doers, you actually start doing. And a special shout out to Himachali tutor Neha Rana. She's always there, lifting my mood, encouraging me to create more and more content. Right people lift you up, motivate you, and they make your consistency journey easy. From my perspective, here are a few more things that can really help any YouTuber stay consistent. Batch your work. Script, film, and edit multiple videos at once. It reduces stress on busy days. It really works. Apart from that, never stop working, never stop learning. Okay, watch other creators, what they are doing, what is working for them, and learn from them. Keep improving every day. So, yes, these were the things that really helped me stay consistent for over 365 days, and it wasn't easy. But with discipline, small actions, patience, and the right mindset, anything is possible. And remember, we are what we repeatedly do. So these small actions compound into big results over time. All right. I hope my journey inspires you to start, continue, and stay consistent, whether it's YouTube, your English journey, or anything else. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really liked it, got inspired. If you really did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, because we have many more Dhamakeda videos coming your way. So yes, until next time, keep creating, stay consistent, and believe in yourself.